In this video, we are going to see a simple technique with which you can bind multiple websites or multiple tabs into a single group, and that makes it so much convenient, especially if you use that websites much often. And you can see that I have grouped these tabs into a group named social. So as soon as I click on this, it will collapse, and as soon as I again click on this, it will expand. So managing by group makes it so much simpler. Let's say social involves up to 5 sites or maybe more. You can group all of them into a single one. How we can do it? Let's see. First of all, just make sure all of your favorite websites are open. Let me just delete this group, right click and delete group. And we are going to create it from scratch. Let's open 2-3 websites, Instagram, Facebook, and let's say YouTube. And then I want to bind all of this into a single group so that we can easily access them quickly instead of opening this one by one. So just select the first one, hold Shift and Control key and select the last one, and make sure all of them looks highlighted. And after that, just right click and click on add tabs to new group. You can name it anything you want, but I'll just rename this to social. Let's choose any color, and this is the new tab in the group. That's it. Just close out of here, and let me just try it again to open. Let's right click and close group. So now the group is closed, a brand new Chrome browser. What you can do is to access it for the first time, just go to new, tab groups, and here is your social group. Click on open group, and there you are. It's that simple, and you can expand and collapse after that. And similarly, you can make many groups to manage your data very easily instead of opening many windows separately. And also the group allows you to expand and collapse through all these websites. So that is very useful to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.